Why? Why? Does my locks, does my face look scary? Is it frightening? Oh my God, oh, no way. I just told you, Hey family, welcome or welcome back if you're new to my channel. My name is Patrice. In today's video, we're gonna talk about intimidation and locks. It's just really crazy to me. So let's get into this video. I actually had a discussion not too long ago with a couple of people, and before they actually spoke to me, they thought I was very intimidating and they were intimidated by me. And I never understood why people would be intimidated by me. I don't have the face of intimidation, but that's what they say. I'm intimidating because I have locks, because I'm beautiful, because I am a Black woman, and I look so confident. So it just really boils down to me thinking that, okay, a person who thinks that I'm intimidating probably lacks a lot of confidence, and that's probably where the intimidation lies, not necessarily me being intimidating. Being intimidating is not a compliment. It's not something that it's joyful to be. Like, if you look at the definition of intimidation.
So here we have the definition of intimidating and intimidate. The adjective is having a frightening, overawing, or threatening effect. The verb is frighten or overawe someone, especially in order to make them do what one wants. The synonyms are frighten, menace, terrify, scare, alarm, terrorize, overawe, awe, cow, subdue, discourage, daunt, unnerve.
What was scary? Like, am I a scary looking person? So the thing around intimidation, it's not pretty. It's not a thing that you could say to someone and they'll be like, oh, thank you so much. I am so intimidating. Like, no. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. Do I look intimidating to you? Men, even if you're a woman, would you approach me and say hello, have a conversation with me? Or am I just too intimidating for you to even go up to and say something? Let me know down below. We need to start a discussion. If you as a woman also experience something like this, please let me know your experience as well. But for you men, are you guys intimidated by beautiful Black women who has locks? Is that a thing? Why? Why exactly am I intimidating? And if it's because I'm beautiful, I have locks, and I'm strong, why is that intimidating? Because intimidating means scary, like it means frightening. So why is that frightening? Let's get the discussion happening down below. Comment down below, let me know your experience. If you're a woman, if you're a man, let me know why you feel intimidated, or if you ever feel intimidated by somebody and why exactly did you feel that way. Comment down below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you in my next video. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace.